if you ask ChatGPT to write a 30-second commercial or cold call script for you, it will do it. But what it's reading is everything on the internet and giving you the average 30-second commercial of all of the sellers. Well, surprise, 53% of sellers miss quota, which means if you take the average 30-second commercial, it's going to be a bad one that derived from reps that miss quota. Yes. So what you really want is the top performers of who you want to model and pull after.
Absolutely. And this is where I think that technology as a teammate and a lot of the other things that are happening can help us break this rule. And when we rethink how we can improve performance. So the first thing that I want to talk about in terms of shifting this paradigm is nudge theory. And so I don't know if people are familiar with this, but the idea here is that behavioral nudges are any intervention that alters a behavior in its predictable way without forbidding options or significantly changing economic incentives. Nudges are not mandates. And so this is one of the things that, when we think about how we embed new skills, behaviors, process in training and that continuous learning model, we want to think about ways to nudge people to it. And so a process initiated nudge would be something like an alert as you're going through your CRM and going from one sales stage to another. Reminder to go do something. Information presentation nudge might be something similar where you're getting insights about a buyer and hey, they are searching for these keywords. Here's some information about our product that addresses those concerns for keywords, right? So that's an information presentation nudge. Then there's the social comparison nudge, which is so powerful and so valuable and can have nothing to do with technology. Now, a lot of us encounter this in social media. That's the like button. We are all very programmed to respond to that social comparison nudge. But in a professional environment, there are lots of ways to hit that. And one of the biggest ways for that social comparison nudge is for sales leaders. Mike, would you talk about this Sandler rule? I think this has been a really powerful one.
Thank you for watching this highlight video from the Sandler Summit. You can join us for the next Sandler Summit in 2024, March 19th and 20th at the Orlando World Center Marriott. Register now at sandler.com/summit.